Hello gems, my name is T. Welcome back to Gem City Budgets. In today's video, I am working in my family binder where I have saving challenges for my family of 4 and different things that we may need as a family. I have $60 in prop money, so let's get started. We are getting started with our adventure. Right, and this is created by Mint Dough. Scoot some things over, and this says $1,200. And I didn't get my dice out. I think I was doing a D12. I'm gonna do a D20, and we got a 9. You know, I'm trying to get big numbers, but I take it. A blessing is a blessing. So let's do this 9 here. Perfect. Let me see. Do I have $1? Yes, I do. And let's put 10 in here. All right. And we might come back to this one. Let's go around the binder. Next, we have my daughter here. For her sinking fund, this says $50. This is created by Budget with Carly. And let's go here. And that is a 6. So cute. 5 and 6. I think I should do 2. Nah. All right, we have my son here. And this is also created by Budget with Carly. And I think last time, did we roll or did we scratch? I don't remember. So let's scratch here. Oh, that's $1. Since it's $1, I guess I would roll 2. So what was I rolling? Had to be a D6. So, okay, a 5. So that is $6 going in here. 5 and 6. And this is just, oh, this is a 25 plus. So this is just like how I'm saving for everyone's sinking fund or sinking fund. I mean, what? Each categories of sinking funds. All right, we have a new one here. It takes real skills to choke on air, fall up the stairs, and trip over nothing. I feel I have those skills. Oh, no, I have those skills. Yeah, really, I do. And this is created by Stuffing Budget. I got this in a I won a giveaway. So this is one of her oopsies. So I love that. I take your oopsies, girl. So let me see. Where should I go? Just anywhere? Yeah, let's scratch anywhere. Let's go here. Ooh, that's a 7. All right, 5, 6, and 7 to start this one. All right, and then next one is for the hubby. And this is Merry Clucking Christmas, created by Beauty Mom Budgets, saves $45. So let's go here. All right, $4. Do we have $1? No. 1, 2, 3, 4. Perfect. Next, we got Home Sweet Home. And this is created by Mystic Budgets. These scratches are 8s and 5s, and then these grocery bags are rolling saves. So this is a 91 plus. So let's go up here. Ooh, we got the 8s. I don't think we got an 8 in a while. Let's do 8. And should I do a roll? See, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, so let's do a roll. 2. Perfect. So $10. Oops. So $10 is going into the home savings. All right, and then we have emergency. And it's funny because with the home savings, me and my husband was talking about getting new Christmas lights to put outside. And I was like, oh, see, this is why we save, we budget. Yes. I was like, just gonna pull it out the home sinking funds. That's why it's good to have a sinking funds for different categories. All right, so we have The Life of a Duck Named What? And I did cheat a little bit because last week that was horrible. So I did find library. It's right here. Because I was like, that was ridiculous having you guys stay here that long while I'm trying to find the word. So we got library for $4. Do we have $1? Yes, we do. And I put that 5 in here. All right, should I do another one? See what I got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right. I didn't prepare myself for another one. Shoot. I think I'm gonna stop there because I didn't know. Okay. I don't feel like looking. Call me lazy. All right, so next is the 100 envelope. I am going to do one of these. Let's do one of these. I was treating this as a catch-all. Well, I still am. But I kind of want to put something to it. So this is like for a rainy day. So anything that might catch us off guard that we didn't budget for. Or this is the first envelope I want to pull from before I pull from my emergency fund. But if I have to, I would do it. So let's go ahead and roll a D6. $3. Hey, that's something. $3. And this is 100 envelopes created by Snowgarden 307. So that's $3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. All right. So $3 is getting put into here. And we are going to put the rest of that money, honey, into our vacation, you know, because we got to get on a trip. We got to book a trip, and a family trip is for my son's graduation, as a graduation gift and as a send-off vacation, because if you are new here, he will be going into the Space Force. So that'd be like his send-off vacation. So this, see how much I got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, $11. Ooh, perfect. We got 11 right here. I think I want to reprint this because I just hate that I folded it like that. Keep saying that, I think, every video. So $11 more is going into our vacation. Look at that. It is just filling up. That is so cute. Go get it from Mint Dough. All right, gems. That is it. That was $60 put into my family saving, or yeah, my family binder for our family sinking funds. All right. Thank you, everyone, for your love and support. If you want to continue to follow me on this financial journey, please subscribe to the channel or share with a friend. And remember to stay magical. Bye, gems.